Best deals.
1. Square steamer. Comes with 3 square idli plates and 3 dokla plates that create perfectly steamed, visually distinct snacks. Add a creative twist to your regular meals with consistent, fluffy results every time. The smart stackable stand allows simultaneous cooking on 3 layers, with even steam distribution that reduces cooking time and fuel usage without compromising quality. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Soup bowl. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting durability, rust resistance, and safe food consumption without affecting the taste or quality of your soup. The sleek mirror finish enhances aesthetics, making the soup bowl and optional plates suitable for everyday meals and elegant dining settings. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Paneer press. It's versatile enough for use with various dairy products, making it a great addition to your kitchen for cheese and other dairy creations. When it's time to clean, simply place it in the dishwasher for effortless maintenance, or clean it by hand with ease. With its easy-to-use design, you'll enjoy making homemade paneer. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Chopping board. Features a built-in high-precision stainless steel cutter that allows you to slice vegetables, fruits, and nuts quickly, safely, and effortlessly. Crafted from rust-resistant, antibacterial steel for superior durability and safe, long-lasting daily kitchen use. The sturdy base prevents unwanted movement while chopping, ensuring complete safety and control in the kitchen. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tea infusers. Designed to meet all your brewing needs for years to come. Large enough to prepare a full pot of tea, it easily fits standard teapots, teacups, mugs, and travel mugs. The wide, two-handle design is easy to hold and helps prevent burns. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pressure cooker. Engineered with advanced Triple technology featuring an aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers. The enhanced thick construction provides superior heat conductivity and retention, ensuring even cooking and energy efficiency for all your pressure cooking needs. Features an advanced safety mechanism including safety valve, GRS gasket release system, and handle locking pin that ensures secure pressure cooking. This comprehensive safety system provides multiple pressure release options and fail-safes for complete user confidence during operation. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Kettle. Insulated with polyurethane foam. High thermal rating ensures temperature maintenance for longer periods. Maintains the temperature for up to 4 to 5 hours hot or cold. It's stylish and attractive, suits any settings. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Utensil display. Has an aluminium oxidized finish giving it a vintage appearance. The countertop is widened to stack more items. It has a top fence rod to avoid falling of the products. Humanized tilt design for hanging dust cloth or hand towel. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil pourer. Made of food-grade thickened stainless steel provide a durable and unbreakable usage test. Oil dispenser is BPA-free, with dust-proof cover. Big mouth convenience for refill oil. The top hole design, the formation of air convection, control the oil speed and smoothly. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Frying pan. Crafted with tri-ply technology, stainless steel inner layer, aluminum core, and stainless steel outer layer for even heat distribution and superior durability. Naturally non-stick with proper seasoning and use, free from chemical coatings, making it safe for everyday cooking. Works perfectly on induction, gas, and electric stoves for versatile kitchen use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Spoon holder. This cutlery stand is designed with 4 sections, making it an ideal spoon organizer for kitchen to neatly separate spoons, forks, knives, ladles, and other utensils. Made from premium stainless steel, the spoon stand for kitchen steel is rust-resistant, sturdy, and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Container. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel that ensures long-term durability and protects your food. Features an elegant, tightly fitted lid that keeps contents fresh and protected from moisture, pests, and odors, ideal for daily kitchen storage. Sleek mirror polished exterior adds a premium touch to your kitchen while resisting stains, smudges, and corrosion. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Hamburger press. Made of 304 stainless steel, food grade and rust proof, the edges of the burger press are edged for smoother and high quality sturdy materials that are durable and easy to make burgers. It is also healthier and safer. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Lemon squeezer. Comfortable grip handles and balanced weight distribution make squeezing citrus fruits effortless. Made from durable alloy material with a smooth finish for efficient and long-lasting citrus juicing performance. Perfect for extracting juice from lemons, limes, and small oranges. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Milk frother. The lid features a double froth pump to help create frothalicious coffee. No electricity or batteries required to replace. More economical than battery-powered frothers and expensive espresso machines, the milk frothing pitcher, also called a milk foamer, is so easy to use. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Capsule. Ensures durability and resistance to rust, maintaining the freshness of stored items. Transparent polycarbonate lid allows easy identification of contents without opening, saving time and preserving freshness. Airtight seal, protects contents from moisture, dust, and insects, extending the shelf life of dry food items. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grinder. Grinds all types of spices, seeds and grains into finest powder in minutes. The multifunction electric grain grinder is ideal for daily use, grinding various dried, dehydrated materials like beans, peppers, chili, coffee beans, grains, cereals, spices, herbs, and seasonings. Ensure materials are shelled and seedless. Compact portable spice grinder electric, lightweight and compact size, easy to carry and store in the cabinet or cupboard. The low-noise motor accessories make the coffee grinder relatively quiet during use and the heat dissipation holes in the bottom quickly dissipate heat, prolonging the service life. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Spice container. Beautiful handcrafted wooden masala box with round shape featuring 7 separate compartments. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Hook. Made from high-quality acrylic transparent materials, a magic sticker is waterproof and easy to clean, making it perfect for use in kitchens and bathrooms. Sticker can be used to hang a variety of items, including kitchen racks, tissue and towel holders, bags, and more. Magic sticker is easy to install and requires no drilling or screws. Product link is given in the 19th link.